Hi everyone, today on FIXBOND, we are doing a crazy custom drone project. A client sent us a completely empty DJI battery shell with only the protection board and no internal cells. Instead of a standard repair, we are modifying this into a double capacity powerhouse that can fly for around 40 minutes. We are using 8 brand new, premium grade 4400 mAh cells. We carefully spot welded the cells together in a dual pack configuration and connected them to the original BMS board with high-temperature insulation tape. After assembling the core, we hooked it up to the computer to clear the data and recalibrate the chip. Since the battery capacity is now doubled, the original shell won't close, so we are installing a custom, extended heavy-duty top cover to seal everything together. If you want to upgrade your drone's flight time with a custom battery modification, your solution is right here. But if you want to watch the complete precision welding, computer calibration, and final test flight, the detailed video starts right now with some background music. Stay tuned.